नमस्कार दोस्तों।
You know, in the afternoon, the weather was really something else. It was 34 degrees but windy, and right now it is very hot. Metro rail project. Hopefully it'll be completed soon. I need to take a right here. An AK-47 written on a truck. I need to take this road. I think this is Shahpura. Look at that swagger. Everybody has swagger here. I can take this road because it's wider and it says similar ETA. I'm not going too far. I'm just going to Kolar Dam picnic spot. It's about 9 kilometers away from here, just a half an hour trip. So I think this road, it leads to Kolar. I need to go straight. I've been to this place once. See, that's what I mean. People don't see left and right, they just go ahead. Where is this guy's Rath Chalak? Couldn't see. I don't have time. Yeah, I remember this road. I need to go straight and then I'll get this Kalyasot road where I go up and down, and then I go to this spot where there's an open field. I'm going to the picnic spot right now. So I know two spots now. One is the one that this map shows, and the other one is somewhere around here. This is the dam. Okay, glasses. Not a picnic spot. If I can go there. Perfect bit of trailing here. Whew. Now I'm heading back. Enough joyride. Now I'm going to be responsible because the town area is gonna start now, and I don't want people to get the wrong impression that I'm one of those guys who just is throttle happy, making the throttle go zoom. No, that's not me.
Fake it till you make it A, and if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst I say.